now we bring all the scene elements that we have created in the last lections together in this scene. But before I do this, I will show you here a problem. I click on play, and as you can see here, the XREF object that we have created brings us a wrong timing. So I choose the reference scene again, click on open, and please here click on no, that's very important. And when I now click on play, all works fine. Maybe that's a bug, and in case that's a bug, you know now how you can fix this. Okay, now I create another XREF object, and in this time I choose the TV cabinet, click on open. Okay. Click on play now, and as you can see here, the animation from the saved scene from the TV cabinet is starting too fast. At first I bring it into the right position. For that I go into the front view and make here some finer adjustments, as you can see it here. So I think this is the right place for it. Okay, I go back to the perspective view. I restart the animation, and now I will search a good keyframe position that I will have for the TV cabinet animation. So with this offset we can offset this animation. I will show you how this works. So at first I search for a good start keyframe where the animation from the TV cabinet can start. And now with this offset parameter we can offset the start position to frame 112, for example. So I replay the animation and nothing happens. So click on this button again, choose the reference scene again, and then click on no. Okay, this is grayed out, but that's no problem. When I start now the animation, you can see all is working fantastic. Great. For the animated door I will also create now a XREF object. So please click on create XREF, add XREF, and choose here the saved door scene. Click on open. I start again the animation, and you can see we have to position the door, and also we must do the same as we have done with the TV cabinet. At first I position the door on this side. So I think here is a good place for it. I bring it up a bit more. So now I will start the animation again and take a look to the door animation. It starts too early. Okay, we fix that over the offset parameter in a second, but before I do this, I position the door much more precise. As you can see it here, I go into the right view and bring the door up a bit more. Like so. Okay, now I switch back to the perspective view, and now I do the same as I have done for the TV cabinet. I search for a good start keyframe position, maybe here on frame 110, so set the offset to this frame. Okay, so when you play the animation nothing happens. So please click on this button again, choose the reference scene, click on open, and then again on no. Again, the offset parameter is now grayed out, but that's no problem, all is working fantastic. Look at that. Great. Alright, now I make a simple test render from the scene to show you the result. That goes very fast, you know. Look at the time. The duration is here around 20 seconds. So please recreate now this by yourself or something like this. See you on the next lection. Bye.